I was so delighted when Sandia and Raintree reached out and said, well, would you come to this art show? And I couldn't say yes quickly enough. I have a chance and an opportunity to experience Shan Rè's wonderful exhibit called Exhumed Memories. I encourage you to go around the different rooms and to experience. Shan is a very eminent and contemporary artist, and I'd just like to give you a little quote that I took from the material. Shan says, this series is an exploration of a new visual language, using materials to which she has a very deep emotional attachment. And if you go around, I think, those of us who can see it can feel that. And these are memories recreated as a work of art and a masterpiece out of her own life. We all know that art in its many forms is about expression. And I want to thank Shan for the wonderful tour. You get so much more appreciation when you have a chance to interact with the artist and receive their perspective on their creation. It's not just a creative expression, as you'll know, that can capture our imagination, as this wonderful exhibit does. But it can also, art can be a force for good, I'd like to argue. Art can challenge society with new ideas, new perspectives that can bring new understanding and can help to be a positive force for change. And I think that has a little bit to do with Raintree's mandate moving forward. So hopefully in the future I'll have a chance to participate and collaborate some more in those efforts.
You should go and commune with each of the exhibits here. That's the only word to use, because you will see that there is something to be taken away that energizes you.